replace the window seat. Stop fiddling with that thing and sit up straight. Remember, you're a Grand Duchess.
How is it that you know what Grand Duchesses do or don't do?
I make it my business to know.
Oh.
Look, Anya, I'm just trying to help, all right?
Dimitri?
Mm-hmm.
Do you really think I'm royalty?
You know I do.
Then stop bossing me around.
She certainly has a mind of her own.
Yeah, I hate that woman. Look, I think we got off on the wrong foot.
Well, I think we did too.
Okay.
But I appreciate your apology.
Apology? Who said anything about an apology? I was just saying
Please,
that
don't talk anymore, okay? It's only gonna upset me.
Fine. I'll be quiet. I'll be quiet if you will.
All right, I'll be quiet.
Fine.
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 Fine. You think you're gonna miss it?
Miss what? You're talking?
No. Russia.
Nope.
But it was your home.
It was a place I once lived. End of story.
Well, then you must plan on making Paris your true home.
What is it with you and Holmes?
Well, for one thing, it's something that every normal person wants. And for another thing, it's a thing where you...
What?
You know, oh, forget it!
Fine.
Thank goodness it's you. Just please remove him from my sight.
What have you done to her?
Me? It's her.
Ha!
Oh no. An unspoken attraction.
Attraction? To that skinny little brat? Have you lost your mind?
I was only asking a simple question.
Attraction. Ridiculous.